Hey guys, if you're struggling with erectile dysfunction, you're not alone. I've been there too, and it can be really frustrating. That's why I wanted to share my experience with Eroxon tablets. I've tried a few different treatments in the past, but I was really impressed with how well Eroxon worked for me. The tablets are designed to increase blood flow to the penis, which helps you get and maintain an erection. One of the things I liked about Eroxon was how easy it was to use. You just take one tablet about 30 minutes before you plan to have sex, and it starts working really quickly. I was surprised by how fast it kicked in. The results were really impressive too. I was able to get a firm erection and maintain it for a long time. It was a huge confidence booster, and it really improved my sex life. Now, I know what you're thinking, what about the side effects? Honestly, I didn't experience any major side effects with Eroxon. A few guys might get some mild headaches or dizziness, but that's about it. Overall, I'm really happy with Eroxon tablets. They're easy to use, they work fast, and they're really effective. If you're struggling with ED, I'd definitely recommend giving them a try. Recommendation: if you're looking for a reliable and effective treatment for ED, Eroxon tablets are definitely worth considering. Just remember to talk to your doctor before starting any new medication.